Ano siya? Basak, Lapu-Lapu. Lapu-Lapu City, Mactan, Cebu, Philippines. This is how traffic, very traffic. Every 6 o'clock in the evening, it's always traffic here in Basak, Lapu-Lapu City. Here we are, Basak, Lapu-Lapu City. It's